Yeah. Good day, you all. How's everybody doing? As you can see, I got on oxygen, y'all. I am on oxygen now. Right now, for this moment, it's a part of my life. I don't know how long it's going to be. I hope it's not forever. But at this moment, it is a part of my daily life. So, I plan on doing a story time on the reasons why I'm on oxygen. My lips are dry. I'm in the car waiting on Seattle. We're fixing to go to the store. Today will be one of the first days since April that I will go into a store. So I decided to bring you guys along with me. But yeah, like I was saying, I am on oxygen. I am hey, up to see. But yeah, we are headed to the store. We waiting on Randy to it's a little bit warm here. We waiting on Randy to come out and help us do something real quick. Look who's driving now. She driving me around, y'all. But yeah, this is December 1st. That's crazy. December 1st, 2020. We are doing the VLOGMAS series. I'm not going to do daily vlogs. I'm going to do weekly vlogs. So this will be a combination of my week. And I'm just going to straight up tell you, we don't do nothing. I mainly stay at home. But we're going to do some at home series of this vlog thing. So come along. Oh, is it locked? Okay. Don't act like I'm too hard to push.
Oh, okay. Am I walking like a too hard to push?
Oh no, you're fine. I'm just saying. You know, you're gonna have to get a head start up this hill. Oh. So we headed into the store, guys. I don't think they in here, ain't it?
Yeah, they'll be right there.
Oh, it's different here. So we're in the store. Oh, look at them donuts. We in the Piggly Wiggly, y'all. So we in the store, y'all. This is Rocky. What you looking at, boy? This her first time in the store since April. I don't want to sound like no little jerk or nothing, but for the folks who look at people weird when they cough or sneeze in the store, you need to be slapped. Just because somebody do something that's totally natural don't mean they got the stupid virus. And you got people coming in your funky store that know they got the little virus, but they still coming and spreading it to other folks. So mind your business. Cause you in our business. Don't do that. Thank you. CC, yep, that's C on the track. So we in the store. Y'all. See how my hair grew back so fast? trying to spend this much. Yep, so look at the Christmas tree, y'all. Today is, what is it, Thursday? Thursday, December the 3rd.
The 4th, the
3rd. Yesterday was Tiffany's birthday. Her gift's still sitting over there. She had picked it up. The first was Tonica's birthday. And so, yeah. This is my first time picking up the camera in a couple of days. I'm headed to the doctor. I got a doctor's appointment. Me and Chris are going. There go Chris right there. See, I gotta go to work today.
No.
So we're gonna be taking her to work. I'm back vlogging. So yeah, I think I'm gonna bring you guys to the doctor with me.
I can take that extra one out of it.
I was just trying to get the string. Switch over my oxygen to my portable tank. I did my makeup today. It looked dark in here, but it's all right. You could take them out that box because I even a minute in.
Huh? Well? Call who? What she do?
You can take this off. That ain't too bad.
We got that. I got one.
Oh. My eyes, my lashes coming down.
I'm gonna get it. Start off. My little can of something.
I know. She probably do. Ooh, Chris coughing. I know. You gonna get hit. So we at the doctor. I just got done with my assessment. They put me on the wall unit. I'm so not used to this crib.
CC on the check.
Okay. Cece told me I need to be vlogging. We out here. Ain't putting no Christmas decorations. I go Chris. I'm sitting in my chair. I'm ready. Over there. She's in the door.
Come on, man.
Getting in the Christmas spirit.
Oh, you plug them two up together.
Oh, the slump make it look
pull it
good.
down.
I'm gonna tighten it up. I'm gonna come.
Plug.
Oh, no, wait, that plug there.
This can't plug up to that
No,
one too?
no,
We
we
gonna have that separate. We gonna have it.
That's gotta go to the outlet.
Cause look, once we put this up, then it's gonna light all that, and it's gonna connect like this. Look, I want to do it.
We're gonna unplug some of those just to see how it looks.
Oh, you wanna wait?
Let me finish this. Yeah, I'll just keep tightening from my way.
Oh, I know that.
Oh, no.
Did you do your mail up?
Yeah.
I can't see it.
I just pull it so
It's on. It is. Oh.
Sound, I'm out of here. Oh.
I cut myself. Hold it.
Oh, you want to try this first? Dang.
Yeah. Y'all, I just ran into the thing. Okay. It's dark. But let me turn the flash on. I did the mailbox. Ain't nothing special. Something cute. Something slight.
He's going down. He's going down. Man, we're gonna bring this out, man. He's going down. You gotta keep your eye on him. You know what I'm saying?
What?
That nigga a Santa Claus.
I know Big Mike had one that I thought he was staying.
Time I
thought it
stay.
was like ran by the battery or something.
Is it like a plunger in his body that'll leave him plunged? I don't know. But it, that look crazy.
I'm gonna figure it out. Let me
You see the light? Put it on the ground. Look, y'all.
Yeah,
Plug kind of back up.
Plug some over it. Yeah. Plug it up. Plug it up. Our arch nemesis, cowboy. Pull I know he coming down so slow.
Come on.
Your laugh was so evil.
Hell yeah. Almost there.
Stop making me laugh.
What
Oh, son.
Oh. I can't wait to put this up. We gonna have. Yeah, I like it. Now y'all wanna try the lights?
Hey, Dad, do y'all have the things where you can plug up multiple things?
Going outside.
Oh, well, we just have
Around
about it.
Santa.
I got one of them in our room, but same way we got no extension cord.
Oh, no, it's one in the living room.
What?
One of them multiple plug up
But we
things.
still need an extension cord.
Use that thing.
Yeah, what?
This.
No, you don't get it.
Well,
I get what you're
okay,
saying,
never
'cause
mind.
there's Santa Claus.
We still need something to reach from here to that.
Well,
Extension cord.
I got an extension cord in my room.
The green.
Oh, you talking about that little green thing?
Is that what it hit that
Yeah, we got the little green thing now. We'll be good with the extension cord right now.
What you say, Rennie?
I said you would have choked me because this thing ain't fell on the ground and if it hit that country, you would have
Yeah.
killed me.
He didn't say nothing. He didn't say nothing.
Yeah, get the
We so messy.
I'll show you how Santa Claus is.
Go get a 20 feet one inside the tree.
We're gonna have Godzilla in. Rudolph.
The buff reindeer.
Mm-hmm.
Look at all kinds of stuff.
Look at the light.
We need to get some LED light sprays for right there.
Yes.
Have it change the color too. We can get it from Walmart. Feel the
Why is
Christmas.
it not focusing? Y'all get the gist. There go
Riding
Mama.
through the snow.
There go Renzo John.
Christmas on me.
I can go to Dollar Tree.